Getting it set. Here he is. Gets the first wheel onto the ramp. Nice and controlled. This is where the power comes in, just nice and controlled, low noise. He's going to idle this thing all the way up. Big block 400 cubic inch Chevy motor in there. Look at it, idling away, the truck's just crawling, nice and controlled. He's going to get it up to a certain level. Once it starts to lose one of the wheels on the ground, he'll then start using the hydraulics to keep the control, keep the wheels down on the ground. Look at this thing twisting. Shots from the back here is just awesome. Funnily enough, Peter Antonak is one of the major sponsors here, Off-Road Performance Warehouse, and he actually built this ramp, so he knows it very, very well. We haven't seen a truck yet up past the yellow marker, and he's up there. He is up there and moving well, and he's still got his hydraulics to go. Here we go, we're starting to put the hydraulics into play now. Taking his time, checking out each wheel. Look at this thing move. Crowd here really getting behind Peter Antonak, pushing him all the way up. Check out the IROC on the front, it's coming right over on its side. We've still got further to go. Crowd here is absolutely loving it. I've never seen so many video cameras in the crowd here. It's going crazy. Get in close, Meeks. Here he goes. Second adjustment on those hydraulics. He's still got more to go. He's only a metre off the top. Settling it right. Playing with the crowd there. Concentration. Checking with his spotter. Third time adjusting the hydraulics, he's still got more in this. Look at these 49s touching here on the covers, right up there on the wheel arches.